Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your email address on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If the email address on your Instagram account is an address you no longer use, it's a good idea to change it to your new one. This way you won't get locked out of Instagram if you lose access to that email address in the future. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. Open Instagram and tap your profile icon in the bottom right to go to your profile. Tap the 3 lines menu button in the top right corner. Tap Accounts Center at the top. Tap Personal Details under the Account Settings heading. Tap Contact Info. Now tap Add New Contact. Choose Email Address. Enter your new email address into the text box. Select the accounts that you would like this email address to be used for. Tap Next and then tap Close. You can see now that the other email address has now been replaced by the new one. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.